Hello everyone. In this video, we'll discuss about both Nifty and Bank Nifty's weekly analysis. But before that, if you are new here and if you didn't subscribe to my channel till now, kindly do watch my other videos. And if you like those videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And after watching this video, even like this video too, and kindly share this video with your friends and family members. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about this technical analysis of both Nifty and Bank Nifty on the weekly time frame, and along with that, I'm going to discuss few macroeconomic events which are going to affect the Nifty and Bank Nifty in the coming week. So apart from this, I'm going to discuss about the past week's analysis also, like how it has been, like how it has performed, and what are those targets and everything. Like we will discuss whether it has been achieved or not. So let's first discuss about the some important macroeconomic events. So most of the events has been removed because the video is taking a very much amount of time to complete. So that's why I have removed so many things, and I have just kept only few things for the explanation. So I hope you will definitely like this video. So coming to the VIX, so I have already discussed about this VIX in the weekly like this sector analysis video, and if you want in detail analysis of this VIX, you can definitely go through that video, and if you will gain a good knowledge and you will get a good clarity. So I'm not going to discuss in detail about this VIX here. So as of now, the VIX is trading at this 12.18, and most probably I'm expecting that VIX can go below 10. And if this VIX goes below 10, then we can definitely take long positions in both Nifty as well as in the Bank Nifty, and we can expect a good rally in both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty as well as the Sensex as well. So in coming to the PE ratio, this is 20.7 is for Nifty, and this section is for Bank Nifty. So when compared to the last week, in this week the PE ratio has been increased marginally, but it is as it is increasing, or as it is progressing gradually, we can expect a good rally, and even this PE is supporting the VIX also. So we can expect a good rally in both Nifty and Bank Nifty based on this PE ratios. But if we see these levels before COVID, these are like very high levels, but after this COVID, like post COVID, these levels are very normal, and we can expect a good rally even from these levels also. So coming to the bond yields, this is about the like 10-year bond yield, and this is 2-year bond yield. So in this week, even though both this 10-year bond yield and 2-year bond yield, they have rallied very much, but when compared to the 2-year bond yield, this 10-year bond yield has rallied little bit aggressively when compared to the 2-year bond yield. So the rate of momentum for this 10-year bond yield, like it has been improved, and the momentum is slightly decreasing in the 2-year bond yield. And even if we see the difference between these two levels, it has been increased, but very marginally it has been increased when compared, the difference between these two has been increased very marginally. So this is a good sign. If in the coming weeks or in the coming months, if the market completely reverses, that is this 10-year bond is the level of this 10-year bond is very much higher when compared to this 2-year bond yield, then we can expect a stable market, and from there we can see that the bond markets will be going very smoothly, and we can expect a good rise in the like a stock market also. So this basically these levels indicate a very much volatility in the shorter duration when compared to the longer duration, that is in 10-year time period. And coming to the crude oil, as of now the crude oil is trading at 85.93, and when compared to the previous week, it has been increased by $3, and even this gold levels, it has been increased by $30 when compared to the previous week. And this if we see this gold to crude oil ratio, the gold to crude oil ratio has been decreased when compared to the previous week, that is gold is becoming premier, like costlier when compared to the crude. So we can take a long positions in the like crude oil, and we can sell this gold. But as of now, we can't say based on this, because if the market goes below 15 or below like 14 levels, then this level this what just now I have discussed, this strategy, it will work very well. But if the levels are like this, it is 21.5 or 21 point above 25 levels, then we need to go based on the supply and demand, or based on the technical analysis levels. So coming to the put call ratio, both in Nifty and Bank Nifty, this is 1.13 in the Nifty and 1.35 in the Bank Nifty. So this level, it is very much closer to the neutral level, that is 1.1, and in the Bank Nifty, if we see, it is more than 1.1, and we can expect a good rally in the coming week. So if the market in the Nifty, if the market sustains above this 1.1 level in the coming week, then even in the Nifty we can expect a good rally, and I'm expecting that will happen in the coming week for sure, and we can expect a good rally in the Nifty as well as in the Bank Nifty. But if we see these levels are coming down within 1 or 2 days, like in the Monday or Tuesday session, then we can expect a neutral market both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Then we can expect like market to form like doji candles or spinning candles in the coming week. And coming to the dollar index has been decreased from 105.7 or 105.4 levels to 104.527 levels. So when the dollar index is decreasing, then we can see that dollar is depreciating when compared to the other currencies like euro, GBP, like yen and Swiss and all those things. So if this thing happens, then our Indian currency will be appreciating. Not only Indian currencies, all the foreign currencies will be appreciating. And if the dollar index when the dollar index goes down, then our metals like metals and commodities then will go up, because when the dollar gets cheaper, these like most of the industries and the companies will be buying the commodities because they will get cheaper just because of this transaction value. So most of the companies will be waiting for the dollar index to go down or the currency to appreciate based on the dollar index. So whenever the dollar gets cheaper, then they will try to buy as much as possible, and even it has been reflected in both in Nifty metals and the Nifty commodities, and the market has taken support from those previous support zones, and the market given a good turnaround from those levels also. And there is no update in the US Fed rate, and most probably in the coming week or in the upcoming week there will be a Fed meetings, and definitely there will be a hike in the Fed rate, and then we can expect a volatile session in those few days, like 1 or 2 days when the Fed meeting is there. And coming to the Bank Nifty to Nifty ratio, in the previous week it was like 2.29 or 2.28 levels, and in this week it is trading at 2.34. Then it is clearly indicating that Bank Nifty is outperforming the Nifty, and even these levels are cooperating with this India VIX, and at the same time this PE ratios also. So we can see that Bank Nifty will be definitely outperforming in the coming week also. So we can bet long positions in the Bank Nifty when compared to the Nifty if we want more profits, but we need to stick to our trade setup, and we need to keep our stop losses, and we need to decide everything before taking the entry positions in the Bank Nifty, because it will be very much volatile, and we need to protect our capital first, then only we can go for the profits. So this is about some important macroeconomic events. So let's jump into the technical analysis of Nifty 50. But before that, if you have liked the video till now, kindly do like my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So first we'll discuss about the past analysis performance. So in the last week, the market made a high of 17,644.75 and it made a low of 17,255.20. So 17,644.75, the market exactly took resistance at the 17,637 levels on the upper side, and this 17,255 levels, this 17,263 levels is acting as a good support point. But the market failed to test both this upside weekly target and even in the downside weekly target. But the market traded between these two levels only, that is 17,637 and 17,263 levels. So overall, if we see the market, even though the market rallied very well in the last Friday session, but it couldn't go up to this weekly target, and it was a dull session when compared to the before a week. So like we are expecting I was expecting the good rally in the last Thursday and Friday session, but market couldn't rally in the Thursday session. We have already experienced that in the Thursday session market came down, and in the Friday session again the market went up. If instead of falling down in the Thursday session, if the market has went up in the Thursday session itself, then we can expect a market to go up at least up to this 17,743 or at least 17,800 levels in the Friday session, but it didn't happen. So I'm expecting that market can go up to the 17,743 or 900 levels in this week. So however, I will discuss all these individual levels once again for the coming week also. So now let's jump into the charts, and we'll discuss about the technical analysis of Nifty 50. So as I was discussing previously that Nifty 50 is going to form about this head and shoulder pattern, and I was expecting market to come at least up to the 70,160 or 170 levels, and if the market turns around from this level, so we can expect a good rally up to this 18,060 or 18,070 level. And we all know this 18,060 or 18,070 level is acting as a good or major resistance point previously. We can see here, like in we can see here, one second. So even on this week, that is on 4th April 2022, and this 16th August 22, and in this 12th September 22nd week, and even these two level, these continuously from 26th December to till now, this 18,060 levels is acting as an important, like major resistance point in market. Even though market closed above this level, in the immediately next week, market again came down, and followed by a doji candles, again the market came down, and even market tried to move up, again the market came down. So this 18,062 will be acting as a major resistance point for this head and shoulder pattern. From here we can expect market to come up to this 18,060 level or 68 level, and from there market can again come down. So we need to wait until the market closes below this neckline. So this is an important neckline. So market is like, this is a right shoulder to form. So market has to form this right shoulder, and market has to close below this neckline. So once the market closes below this neckline, we can keep stop loss at this, exactly at this 18,060 level actually. So we can keep stop loss exactly at this 18,060 level, and from there market can go down like as much as possible, that is up to 16,000 or 15,000 based on the distance between this head and the neckline. So why I'm talking about this bearish sentiment? Because if we see the weather conditions from the IMD department and all, so they are expecting heat waves to come in the coming months, and if the heat waves, if they come as per the predictions, then definitely they are going to affect the agriculture sector. So in India, most of the people depend on the agriculture sector, and if there is no crop or no plantations properly, then definitely it is going to affect the Indian economy as well. Because it directly affects the sales of so many companies, not only this FMCG like auto sector and this chemical sector, fertilizers and everything. So like not only these things, but the per capita consumption and spending capacity of the like individual members, this everything will be decreased because of this decreased rainfall and decreased output from the agriculture sector. So it is definitely going to affect the Indian market. And apart from this, as the like elections are going to come, then definitely it will be affecting the Indian market as well. So if there is any unfortunate situation, or if there is anything that is going to happen apart from the expectations, then definitely market is going to come down, or it is going to fall down. So as of now, I'm predicting the market to form a head and shoulder pattern, but don't know whether it will form or it will give a false break also. So hopefully we expect the market to form this head and shoulder pattern, because if the market falls according to our expectations, then we can gain good profits in the Nifty and even in the Bank Nifty as well. So this is good for options trader, but if you are an investor, then you can definitely hedge your portfolio, or you can at least rebalance your portfolio. So this is about the technical analysis of Nifty 50, and if the market comes down, then definitely this 70,170 level is going to act as an important or major support point. And if the market closes below this level, then this level, that is 16,987, will be acting as a next major support point. So this is about the technical analysis of Nifty 50. And coming to the individual levels of Nifty 50, in Friday's session or in the last week, the market has closed at 17,594.35, and if the market is going up, this 70,700 levels will be acting as an like important resistance point. And the market is trying to come down, this 70,500 levels is going to act an important support point. So these levels will be acting as a central zone, and if the market tries to move up, then before that the market has to sustain above this level for at least 4 hours to 1 day. Then we can expect a good rally up to this 18,042, and this will be our weekly target. If the market closes above this level, then we can expect a further rally up to this 18,148, and this will be our extreme target. And if the market closes below this level, that is 7,500 level, and if it sustains below this level for at least 4 hours to 1 day, then we can expect a fall up to the 17,194, and this will be our weekly target. And if the market closes below this level, then we can expect a further fall up to this 70,100, and this will be our extreme target. So this 70,194 is exactly coinciding with our 70,170 level. So approximately like 20 or 25 points difference between this 194 and 170. So most probably these levels will be acting as a support zone if the market comes down. So this is about the technical analysis of Nifty 50, individual levels and our past analysis performance. So before progressing further to the Bank Nifty, kindly do like my video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So we'll discuss about the past analysis performance of Nifty 50, Bank Nifty. So in the previous week, Bank Nifty had made a high of 41,390 and it made a low of 39,745. So this high, this is according to a double bottom chart pattern, and it made a good rally in the Friday session. So and even after this, I was expecting a rally up to this 41,520 or 41,750 levels based on this double bottom chart pattern. But this 41,390, it has tested our weekly target in the Bank Nifty, and if we see this lower levels in the Bank Nifty, so the market took support at this first support point, that is 39,642, and from there market eventually went up, and we can see the market has tested our extreme weekly target on the upper side. So this is about the past analysis performance of the Bank Nifty. So even though the market was very dull in the initial days, it has given a good rally in the last day of the week, that is on the Friday session. So I was expecting the same rally in the Thursday session itself, but it went against to our predictions and against to our expectations. The market fell down in the Thursday session, and it has given a good rally in the Friday session. So this is about the past analysis performance, and coming to the technical analysis in the Bank Nifty. So if we see the chart patterns in the Bank Nifty, so exactly at this support point, that is 39,698 level, initially it has formed a like a piercing candlestick pattern and followed by a doji candle and again a small spinning candle. So after that again market came down, and exactly at the same support point market has given a good bearish candle, and at the same support point again the market from there the market took support, and the market has taken a good turnaround from the same support point. So overall, if we see this setup, this is a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern and this is a piercing candlestick pattern. So both these candlestick patterns are bullish candle setup. So because the market is taking the same support point since last 1.5 months, so then in the coming week you can expect a like flat to upside market. So these two levels, that is 41,568 and 40,986 levels, these two levels will be acting as an important support and resistance point. So once the market closes above this 41,568 level in the coming week, then we can expect a further rally up to this 41,893 or 900 levels. So this level will be acting as an important resistance point, because this sloping trend line as well as this previous resistance point, both these levels are coinciding, and at the same time, based on our double bottom chart pattern, even the levels are coinciding at these levels. So this level will be acting as an area of confluence, and this level will be acting as a major resistance point for the coming week. If the market sustains above this 41,900 or 42,000 levels in the coming week, then definitely we can expect a good rally in the Bank Nifty, and we can expect a rally up to this 42,549, 845 and 43,140 levels in the coming weeks. So if the market comes down, most probably this 40,986 levels will be acting as a support point, and if the market comes down even below this 40,986, then our next support point will be like 40,759 level, and most probably market can't come below this 40,709 or 759 levels. So this is about the technical analysis of Bank Nifty. And coming to the individual levels in the Bank Nifty, in the last week market has closed at 41,251 levels, and if the market is trying to move up, this 41,568 levels will be acting as an important resistance point, and the market is trying to come down, this 40,986 levels will be acting as an important support point. So if the market tries to close above this level, and if the market sustains above this level for at least 4 hours to 1 day, then we can expect a good rally up to this 42,596, and this we can consider this one as a weekly target. And if the market closes above this level, then we can expect a further rally up to this 42,914, and this will be our extreme target. And if the market closes below this level, that is 40,986, and if the market sustains below this level for at least 4 hours to 1 day, then we can expect a further fall up to this 40,129, and this will be our weekly target on the lower side. And if the market closes below this level, then we can expect a further fall up to this 39,865, and this will be our extreme target on the downside. So this is about the technical analysis of Nifty, like Bank Nifty, individual level analysis, and along with that our past analysis performance also. So I hope you have liked this video, and don't forget to like my videos and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I request you to share my videos with your friends and family members. So friends, let's meet in another video. Until then, bye bye, Jai Hind.